What's up guys, today we are doing a Ford Fusion 2007, which is a Tibby pick. See if we can get it done quickly because the customer needs to go to pick her kids up from school. There we go. 241 24. Ooh, she's quite far across, isn't she? 1. So 241 241. Could be wrong, but we'll find out. 241 241. That's an easy one to remember today. So there's not much description on picking the lock because I'm in a bit of a rush. But usually when we put the pick in, we go towards the unlock position and we work out which ones, we turn them all and we work out which ones, well, the ones that go all the way across to the side, they are the ones we pick, and the ones that stay firm, they're the binding ones. Now, my issue is, because I'm in a bit of a rush today, I'm a bit flustered because I'm working on a new workshop, and yes, I got to try and get back and get that finished off. It's been a 2-day deal. Thank you to my friend Drew at Express Locksmiths, Cardiff. He's been giving me a hand, so hopefully I can get back and finish it up so he doesn't have to come back and give me any more help. Now the problem with these keys is I got to make one of these keys, so I use a head for it. I think that's right, I hope. Don't look straight to me, but they always cut the ends wonky. See if that works. Is she level? She looks level. So sorry, I'm waffling on a bit. Ford. Lost my train of thought yet again. I'm just going to cheat on this one, just type it in. Usually I find it. Forward, all the way down to transit. Because it's the same key. 98 to 2006 or 1998 to 2000, don't matter because they're all FT01s. 241 241, but the 241 could be wrong because the lock, the one was spinning, so it could be a 2 or 3 or a 4, which is going to be a nightmare. But I can't pick the boot if I go, which I might do if this doesn't work. Okay, she's lined up nice. One. Oh, she's in there already. Okay, I'll get that one out after. One. And one. So, I'm sure I've seen the pliers in my van somewhere. There it is. Right. Two. So yeah, basically I use these key DIY keys. You put the blade in, pin it, you slide this in. You then have a back bit, you put a transponder in, it slides down, clicks into the side arm, holds it in. Now I only use these if I'm in a spot of bother. I got about 50 Tibby keys on the way, so, but they haven't arrived obviously, so yes, I'm stuck doing it this way. So what I'll do is we'll get this cut, and after this is cut we'll jump back and I will show you me trying the door lock and then putting all this key together. Right, what's up guys? Key is made and it turns. Now we're going to try the ignition, see if this works. It went click, so a bit auto it. It works. So now we are going to pin it and make the transponder. So we slide this into here like so. We get a pin, there here, and I stick it in my mouth because why not? I mean, if you're going to swallow something, why not be something important-ish? We're going to try to see if this will work. It's not the greatest, but drop the pin as well apparently. So yeah, this is not the greatest thing in the world, but it does the job sometimes. So nice slider in this one. There we go. Apparently not. Apparently it will not do it, which is fine. So we'll just rip this out and do it with another tool. God, I love these tools. China does you proud, like all the time. Anyway, so I'll get this, we'll get another pin and we'll punch it in manually with this. So these are a bit awkward to punch in sometimes, but I'm hoping it's not going to be that much of a sod. There we go. Realistically, I didn't sit it tidy. That is my fault there. I don't think it'll work this way either, but we're going to make it go. Try to. There we go, we sent it. It's in halfway. So now we'll finish putting it in. Hopefully with the pliers. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Or see if we can get this in like this. Oh, there you go. Now it works. Look at that. You put it in most of the way and the Chinese tool decides to work. So, right. And your transponder. These only go in one way, see? There we go. I think that's the best one of these has ever gone away together. So now we're going to make the transponder, which will be 63-bit on this, and then I will get set up after this is done and we'll show the programming procedure. There we go, now that's made. But of course the key won't be complete without my sticker. And obviously a key ring after it's programmed. There we go. It's getting straighter, you know, it's still diagonal, still getting straighter. Right, cool. I'll get set up and I'll head over to the car and then I'll show you in the next video. Right, what's up guys? Right, so back now. I got my TDB out, picked up a key ring on the way, and now we're going to program it in. Oh, don't listen to that rubbish. Yeah, that's right. I won't be long now. By the time you get back, I should be done.
Oh, brilliant.
No problems. Right, guys, so we go into the usual menu down to this one. We go to Ford Fusion in TDB. Hit key coding. We're on 2007. PATS 3, I think it is, yeah. We hit OK. We wait for it to do its thing. We've got the program key, remove key from ignition. I'm stuck. Okay. Insert key. Okay. One program, one key. Okay. So now we're just going to wait for it to get security access. Ignition off. Okay. Ignition on. Please wait. Now, there we go. We're all done. Completed. Lights flashing. Off. On. And we're done. I'm afraid to put this in gear because I got a funny feeling the handbrake's now, so I'll leave you to worry about that. But that's it for today. I know it's been a bit quick, a bit brief, and I've waffled a bit, but it's all done. I will be doing some more work, but I'm so busy, it's unreal. We'll try to get some more videos out next week as well. And yeah, just let me know what you want to see. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.